would pray for you. I'd go and misbehave just so you'd notice too. Sneaking looks up and down from across the room. And damn, what a hell of a view. I feel good, you look great, I like you, I can't wait. A first time, a first date. You're so fine, I'm so late. You sit.
Welcome to our US Cars Review channel. My name is Mike, and I'll be your guide to the world of the best cars. Number 2. Toyota Camry. In the first half of 2021, the Toyota Camry was America's top-selling car. It is the only car brand that has competed in NASCAR. Compared to the Ford series, it's somewhat smaller, referred to as a midsize Toyota, and started production in 1982. The Toyota Camry is currently in its 8th generation. It sold like crazy in 2021 because the 8th gen 2021 Camry hit the markets. You must have noticed some of them around. It would be hard not to, as the United States is one of the countries where the newest generation is manufactured and assembled. To be able to see some more, hit that subscribe button right now and become part of our awesome family.